Good morning everyone! It's a great day today because it's my birthday! So we're going out of town today. We're going somewhere. Actually, it's in Alfonso, Cavite. So here we are. We're preparing for our departure. And here's my driver for today, Kuya Eli. Say hi, Kuya Eli. Suplado naman. So there's Ate Yoli and Santino at the back. Also, so we're near Alfonso, Cavite. And I hope you enjoy and stay and watch this whole video.
Continue on Masigbag, Palumlam Road for 1 kilometer. In 600 meters, you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
Everyone, welcome to Terraza del Mar! So, andito na po kami ngayon sa Terraza del Mar. Guys, so papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung place, kung gaano ka-relaxing, ka-refreshing. If you notice guys, the whole place is surrounded by plants. So, pag plantito ka, pack na pack talaga sa iyo tong place na to. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo, room tour muna tayo guys. So, this is their living area. So, meron silang Netflix dyan, meron silang internet, and this is their living room. Ang ganda nung kanilang pasala dyan, very aesthetic. And this is their comfort room. They have 2 comfort room here sa baba. And ito yung maganda sa kanila, is that diretso siya dito sa labas, guys. So, pag nakita nyo itong labas, ito ang pinaka pinabayaran nyo dito. Look, they have their own dipping pool na may pa-falls na effect dyan sa labas.
Wow!
So, napaka-refreshing. Kung talagang family kayo, this is a perfect place for you guys to unwind, to relax, and to bond with your family. So, we chose this kasi pag nakita nyo, meron talaga siyang bedroom para kay mami dun sa baba. So, again, pag lumalabas kami, talagang yun ang consideration namin na dapat may bedroom like this, ganyan, para kay mami. So, this is the view outside. If you notice, talagang very calm yung place. Actually, there are 3 villas here and La Luna is just one of their villa. And this is their biggest villa so far. Yan, that can accommodate up to 15 packs actually. Thank you. Hey, ay, baby, thank you. Wow. Ay, kala, bibidyohan ka tayo. Diyan. So here's the bedroom on the second floor. They have 4 big beds here that can accommodate up to 12 packs actually. So, look at my supportive brothers. Go, kuya! Sila yung naglulobo ng balloon para sa akin. Para sa birthday song mamayang gabi. So, we just ordered food somewhere para hindi na kami magluluto. And there's Alex, Sheen, and Santino putting up my birthday banner. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Happy birthday you. Happy birthday you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. May humabol po. Ayan na.
Sabi pa naman ang anak ng babae. Kaya may gets ko. Sarap na yung pala ito marami. Maraming gets.
Dali.
Try mo na.
Ikaw pala eh.
Matalang naman. Ano ba? Ano mo na inis mo na inis?
As soon as a heart stop. Yun. Stop talaga. Stop. The only explanation Mami! Ma!
Nakatingin kay Miss Lourdes. Mami, oh, si Miss Lourdes.
Of the world.
Nakangiti.
The only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I need you. Yeah, I need you. Ooh, I need you. Ooh, I need you.
Axel Rose ba?
JNC nga. Bago sa tayo mo eh. Kita mo sa ano, sa TikTok yung ano, bata Gen Alpha na siya eh.
Lourdes, hilap eh. Si Mini pa
I really need to love. Living in a world of fools.
Yun na.
Listening to me.
Cheers.
Uwi ba kaya? Pasok na.
Sige, sasabay na lang kasi nakainom kami lahat eh.
Food trip ulit.
Food trip.
Cake. Cake, kape, inom, kain. Tapos, repeat. Repeat.
Teka na.
Si Mami din, no?
Mami, oh, paki.
Si Mami din, no?
Nasaan si
Sama yung paboritong apo.
Nasaan si Bimo, Max?
Sarap. Oh?
Uy!
Happy birthday to me.
Sinundo siya ng kapatid niya. Ha? Sinundo siya ng kapatid niya.
Hello.
Ano? Teka muna. Practice. Pero tingin, sabi mo din. Wala? Hindi ko na to? Okay. Go. Oh, ate, teka muna. Sige. Again. Bakit?
Kuya Sam, baka doon ka lang sa likod, oh.
Wala, hindi mo nakarami.
Just shoot this and drink, mga kaibigan. Ayan, dapat kasama lagi.
Sabay-sabay kami mamamatay. Ayoko na. Dalawa na nainom ko. Parang yakol dito.
Dapat pala na kayo doon.
Tubig lang ang puta. Para kayo niloloko niyan. Binabalot siya pa yung tubig sa ganyan.
Tasteless, o diba? Tasteless just like water. Kasi Flora.